Imagine if just 30 minutes a day could completely change your body, mind, and overall health. What if I told you that running for only half an hour daily could help you burn fat, boost your heart health, and even make you feel happier every day? The benefits are so powerful that experts call it a miracle drug. Stick around until the end to discover the shocking benefits of running daily, and how it can change your life. Running for just 30 minutes a day might seem like a simple task, but the transformation it brings to your body and mind is truly extraordinary. It's one of the most effective exercises for weight loss and fat burning. Running helps you burn a significant number of calories, especially if you incorporate a brisk pace or interval training. This helps you shed excess weight, especially around the belly area, which is often the hardest to target. But the benefits don't stop at weight loss. Running every day improves your cardiovascular health by strengthening your heart and increasing its efficiency. As your heart gets stronger, your body becomes more capable of delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, which in turn improves overall energy levels and stamina. You'll notice that activities that once left you winded, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries, become much easier. As you run consistently, your metabolism gets a major boost. Your body starts burning more calories even when you're resting, which means your body is becoming more efficient at converting stored fat into energy. But that's not all. Running improves circulation, helping your blood flow more efficiently and delivering oxygen and nutrients to vital organs and muscles. This means your body's recovery process speeds up, and you start feeling less fatigued and more energetic throughout the day. The increased blood flow also helps your muscles recover after tough workouts, reducing soreness and stiffness. Over time, this results in more toned, defined muscles, especially in your legs, glutes, and core. Moreover, running every day has a profound impact on your overall health. It can lower your cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve your blood sugar regulation, which significantly decreases the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. In fact, studies have shown that runners have a much lower risk of suffering from these conditions compared to sedentary individuals. But perhaps the most surprising benefit is what running does for your mental health. The act of running releases a flood of endorphins, which are natural mood elevators. This results in what's commonly known as the runner's high, a euphoric feeling of happiness and well-being that many runners experience after completing their run. But it doesn't stop there. Regular running has been shown to help fight anxiety, stress, and depression. The physical activity reduces cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, and promotes the release of serotonin, which stabilizes mood and promotes relaxation. This makes running a powerful tool for combating the mental strain of daily life. And if you're someone who struggles with anxiety or depression, running provides a natural, drug-free way to elevate your mood and clear your mind. Now, let's talk about sleep. Many people struggle with insomnia or poor sleep quality, and running can be a game changer in this area. The physical exertion of a 30-minute run helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep at night. Running has been linked to deeper, more restful sleep, which is essential for recovery, mental clarity, and overall health. And the best part? A good night's sleep helps with fat loss, memory retention, and boosts your immune system. Running also has a powerful effect on your cognitive abilities. As you run, your brain gets more oxygen, and this increased blood flow enhances cognitive function, including memory, focus, and mental clarity. Regular cardio exercises like running have been linked to improved brain health, reducing the risk of cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and other forms of dementia as you age. This makes running a perfect way to keep your brain sharp, even as you get older. But with all these amazing benefits, it's important to remember that consistency is key. While running every day for 30 minutes can lead to incredible results, it's crucial to listen to your body and allow yourself rest when needed. Running on hard surfaces without proper footwear or pushing yourself too hard can lead to overuse injuries, such as shin splints, knee pain, or stress fractures. It's always important to run with good form, wear proper shoes, and mix up your routine with rest days or lower impact activities like cycling or swimming to avoid injury. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your physical health, boost your mental well-being, and transform your overall life, running 30 minutes a day is one of the simplest yet most effective solutions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, this 30-minute commitment can help you feel stronger, leaner, and more energized. And the best part? It's free, you can do it anywhere, and all it takes is a pair of good running shoes and the motivation to get started. So, are you ready to take on the challenge and run every day for 30 minutes? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you're going to try it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more health and fitness tips like this.